up, Aunt Nene. You know, this Kimon, your nephew. Wishing congratulations to you and Uncle Lily. You know what I'm saying? Wish y'all the best, man, because y'all meant for each other, and I'm proud of you, baby.
Hey, y'all. Y'all know who it is. Anyway, I want to wish y'all the best of luck. Y'all continue to do what y'all doing, and everything will be just fine.
Nene, Lily, I told you the first time I met Lily that he was a good man, and you need to keep him. I ain't realized when I said keep him, you was going to end up marrying him. But I wish you much love, happiness, and plenty of blessings. Love you both.
Get some babies cracking and let me know. And stay good and repping LA, you know what I'm saying? To Virginia. Y'all the reason I graduate and crap, you know what I'm saying? So stay up. I'm coming back to visit. I love y'all to death. If I don't talk to y'all in 4 or 5 years, I still love y'all. All right, gone.
This is Desmond. I want to start off by saying black love is a beautiful thing. And if y'all break up, don't be mad as a bitch because I spent $300 on these tucks and I want my scratch back. Good luck, man. Love both of y'all.
Hi, this is Treva. I am Nene's older sister, one of them. And I'd like to say congratulations to Nene and Lily. Congratulations. May God bless you in your many, many, many years. And I love you guys. Congratulations.
I don't have anything funny to say tonight because I've been drinking a little bit, so. But anyway.
Hi, my name is Trees. I'm Nene's sister. Congratulations, y'all. Congratulations, big sis. I love you. Lily, welcome to the family. So now you got to put up with me. I'm a little sister. I'm a brat, so I'm going to be a pain in the ass. So just get used to it. Love y'all.
Hey, Nia and Lily. I just wanted to let y'all know, congratulations. I love y'all. And Nia, I'll never forget the first time you said that when you met him, you came over the house and you were so excited. And I'm happy that y'all together. I love y'all, all of y'all, like sisters and brothers. So congratulations. Love you. Bye.
Baby, oh my God. Oh, I am so proud of you. Because, oh my goodness. And Lily, nigga, it's too many of us bitches in the family to be even fucked with, dog. But you my baby, though. I love you. I love Jordan. I love Shay Shay. I love all y'all. And Mama Christy, we ain't gonna forget you neither. We love you too.
You're watching The Return of Black Love with Leon and Danita Darnell.
This is reality. It's not a show.
I expect to see everybody on this dance floor with me at least one time.
Love I found in my life, you know what I'm saying, made me a better person.
It's him as a man, period.
A guy finding life, you know what I'm saying, for the first time. Just making sure my family have all the things that I didn't have. Life revolves around the family.
Nita, congratulations. Zion and Betty said,
I love you, baby.
You and your group well.
I thank you for all that you've done.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello, how you doing? I'm Dominique Harris. Nene is my aunt. I want to say congratulations. I'm happy for y'all. God bless.
Ma'am and Cherry, congratulations on your wedding day.
I just wish that you just
keep
on doing what you're doing.
Danita is my stepsister. What I want to say to Danita that I'm very proud of her, and she has really, really grown up to be a beautiful young lady. Because how I remember her, when she was so teeny weeny, I could put doll baby underwear on her. But she's carried on to be a big, beautiful, lovely lady. And I'm so glad that she found her soulmate.
Hi, Nita. Hi, Leon. This is your Aunt Tutu. I hope the best for you too. And I always remember, love y'all always. Have a good life together. And always remember, y'all two, y'all can make it. Be good.
My name is Joanne, and Danita is my goddaughter. I just want to say I love you and congratulations. You're always in my heart, you and Leon both. Thank you, and I love you.
I'm related to Nene, cause she my cousin, and now Lily my cousin, but I want to say congratulations. Y'all make me laugh. Okay, congratulations on that wedding day. This is Jennifer. Nene is my cousin, honey. I congratulate you with the utmost. I hope you have a wonderful life. Bless you and Leon.
I can't sit back like this. Let's sit like this. Oh, I gotta get comfortable.
Hey, this BB. Just want to say congratulations to both of y'all. I love y'all. And congratulations, Beatrice.
Yeah, this Rodney. Yeah, I'm on family with Nene. I just want to say congratulations to both of y'all. No, man, I wish the best to both of y'all.
I'm so happy y'all finally did it. Y'all belong together. Neither one of y'all need to be with nobody else but each other. I wish y'all the best, and I love y'all both.
My name is Leon Fraser, and I'm related to Lily. That's my cousin. Lily, man, we've been around for a long time together, man. Practically grew up together. Times y'all came to Jersey, we had a ball. Times we came down here to Richmond, man. I just want you to know we love you and we love Nene. And our door is always open.
I'm Buki, of course, as y'all know. I'm related to Nene and Lily through my goddaughter. I really appreciate y'all for everything y'all done, and I hope y'all enjoy y'all marriage to the utmost. Love y'all. Thanks for everything. Have a good time.
If y'all ever want to come down and talk and get away, y'all call any one of us, man, and y'all know we there. We love both of you.
This the boy, Errol Fraser, the youngest of the bunch. Let the record be known. I'm a little twisted now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little twisted. I seen your ass butt naked, nigga. We go back, me and you go back, we been butt naked, you know. I just want to say congratulations. We all love you. And you got a beautiful bride. I'm gonna pass it on to Tisha right here. Here you go, hit that, hit that.
First of all, congratulations. Oh, Letitia, y'all know, Dee daughter. No, let me tell you how, Lily, we go back to like swimming in the pool at Woodshire.
Don't forget the brown jacket.
Swinging on them things.
The windbreaker outfit, the windbreaker outfit.
Having mad fun. But Nene, I'm so glad that you're a part of our family. Congratulations to the both of you guys. And God bless.
We love y'all.
We love y'all.
Congratulations and welcome to the Power 92 football family. This is the coach of Power 92 with his first lady. And we just want to let you know, Nene, welcome to the family. Lily, thanks for coming out there and playing with us. Thanks for letting us be a part of y'all special day. We love y'all. If y'all need us, call us for anything. And trust me, marriage ain't easy. This woman sitting in my lap, trust me, I know it ain't easy. You're gonna go through a whole lot of highs and lows, but you just gotta stay together. Trust me. Anything you wanna say, baby?
To Lily and Danita, I just want to say, put God first in your marriage and keep the lines of communication open and keep others that are outside of your household out of you all's business. May God bless you both.
And our home number is 643-0942 in case Nene, you need us. Don't worry about Lily, you call us. All right? We ain't thinking about you, Lily. Tell the kids we love them, give them a kiss. Thanks so much.
Hey, Lily, Danita, this is your big cuz, Daniel. I want to say I love y'all. God bless y'all. I love my man, Jordan. I love the whole family. Lily, you know you and Jordan got to get to the football field soon so we can get it started back again for next week. I love y'all. God bless y'all. May y'all have a happy marriage. God bless you.